Creating a budget is one of the most important skills you can learn when it comes to managing your money. Budgeting gives you control over where your money goes so you can save more and achieve your financial goals. In this video, we'll walk through budgeting basics specifically tailored to teens. Let's get started. The first step is to calculate your monthly income. As a teen, you may earn money from a part-time job, allowance, gifts, freelancing, or other sources. Add up all sources of regular monthly income. Be conservative and don't include inconsistent sources like birthday gifts when budgeting. Next, track your actual spending over the last 1-2 months using a spreadsheet or budget app. Save receipts and take notes on every purchase to categorize spending. Common categories include food, entertainment, clothing, transportation, personal care, and more. After analyzing spending, distinguish between needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses like food, housing, and transportation. Wants are non-essentials like video games and clothing. Distinguishing these will help you prioritize spending in your budget. Now it's time to actually build your budget. First, list your monthly income. Then create spending categories for needs, wants, savings, and debt payments. Assign estimated amounts to each category based on your income, past spending, and goals. You can tweak the budget over time. Apps like Mint, EveryDollar, and YNAB make budgeting super easy with features to automatically track spending and provide charts and reports. Using an app provides structure and accountability. Stick to your teen budget by tracking every dollar spent, living below your means, being frugal, and adjusting the budget as needed. Review your budget weekly and make changes if income or expenses shift. Budgeting is a skill that takes time and practice. Start now to gain control over your money and set yourself up for financial freedom. With a little discipline, budgeting can help you use your money wisely. I hope this beginner's guide to budgeting gave you the basics to create your first budget as teen. Now get out there, track your spending, and start budgeting your money. Let me know if you have any budgeting questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.